Travel powered by Korean. Trip Talk. Have you ever heard Koreans say things like 수고하세요, fighting, or nunchi? These words don't really exist in English, but they show how Koreans think, care, and connect with others. Today, let's explore 4 beautiful Korean expressions that reveal the heart of Korean culture. Let's go.
수고하세요.
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 Literal meaning please keep working hard. Real meaning I appreciate your effort. This phrase is used to recognize someone's hard work. When leaving work, finishing a task, or saying goodbye politely. In Korea, showing respect for effort is very important.
수고하세요.
Culture tip. Koreans often say,
수고했어요.
which means you worked hard, thank you. It's warmer than simply saying good job.
화이팅.
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 It looks like English, but it's 100% Korean made. Meaning you can do it, good luck, let's go. You can say it before an exam, a big game, or even a tough day at work.
화이팅.
Culture tip. Koreans value teamwork and emotional support. So when they say fighting, they mean we're in this together, don't give up.
눈치 있다.
눈치 있다.
눈치 있다.
There's no direct English translation for this one. It means to read the room, or to sense how others feel without words. In Korea, having nunchi is a superpower. It shows emotional intelligence and social awareness.
눈치 있다.
Culture tip. People often say he has good nunchi as a compliment. It means you're considerate, polite, and understand others' feelings.
정들었다.
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 Meaning we've grown emotionally attached. You can't really say this in English. It's deeper than I like you or I miss you. It describes the warm bond that grows from shared time and care.
정들었다.
Culture tip. Jung is one of the most beautiful Korean concepts. It's a mix of affection, loyalty, and connection. When Koreans say,
정들었다.
it's an emotional goodbye, I've grown attached to you. Good job. So next time you hear a Korean say,
수고하세요.
or,
화이팅.
remember it's not just a word, it's a piece of Korean heart. Try using one of these expressions today, and maybe you'll feel the jung yourself. See you next time.